In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subheading, or what is officially known as a section heading, within your Surveymonkey survey. This feature is incredibly useful for breaking up your survey into logical sections, helping to streamline the navigation and improve the respondent's overall experience. Let's dive right into it and walk through the process of adding these subheadings. First, you'll want to navigate to your specific survey and open up the Design Survey tab. This is your primary workspace where you'll be making all of your edits and improvements to your survey's layout and content. Once you're in the Design Survey tab, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a panel labeled Build. It's your toolbox for constructing the survey with a myriad of options to enhance your survey's appearance and functionality. Now, click on View More. This action will open up a new pop-up screen, offering additional options that weren't immediately visible before. In this new menu, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Page Elements. This is where you'll find tools specifically designed to modify the pages of your survey, rather than the questions themselves. Next, you're going to click on Intro Page. But don't worry, even though it might say Intro, what we're really after is tucked away inside this section, the section heading. Now, with the section heading widget in view, go ahead and drag and drop it into the desired location in your survey. This is a straightforward drag and drop feature, which makes it intuitive and easy to place exactly where you want each section break to appear. Once your heading is in position, it's time to personalize it. Click into the heading to enter your title. Remember, this title acts as your subheading and should clearly convey the theme or the topic immediately following it. If you think additional context might be needed to better guide your respondents, you can also add a description. This will appear directly beneath the heading, providing extra information without overwhelming the reader. For those of you who need to keep track of various sections, you might find it helpful to add an identifier. This is optional, but it can be particularly useful for referencing specific parts of your survey, especially as you analyze your data later on. Finally, you'll want to adjust the display settings to achieve the desired visual effect on your survey. You can choose the Display Side-by-Side option, which places your heading next to the previous question. Remember, both elements need this setting enabled for it to work effectively. Alternatively, you might prefer to select Append to Previous Question, which ensures that the heading appears directly under the prior question, creating a cohesive and organized look. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the width, with the default setting being 100%, but feel free to customize it according to your design needs. And that's it. You've successfully added a section heading to your Surveymonkey survey. This simple addition can make a significant difference in how your respondents perceive and navigate your survey.